In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an Expedia discount code. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to apply the discount to your Expedia bookings with ease. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Expedia Philippines. You can do this by typing Expedia Philippines in your browser's search bar or directly entering the URL. Once the website loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage. It's designed to provide you with easy access to everything from vacation homes to car rentals and flights, among other travel services. Before you proceed with any reservations, it's important to sign in to your Expedia account. Look for the Sign In option, typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and enter your login details. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to set one up, since having an account not only helps with bookings, but also allows you to track your itineraries and enjoy membership discounts. After signing in, return to the Expedia homepage. From here, you'll be ready to begin your search for flights, hotels, or vacation packages. Utilize the search bar prominently displayed on the homepage to enter your travel details, such as your destination, dates of travel, and the number of travelers. Once you've input your information, hit the search button to generate a list of options tailored to your needs. As you review the various selections, take your time to find the one that best suits your preferences and budget. Once you've found the ideal flight, hotel, or package, go ahead and select it to proceed to the booking page. Now comes the crucial part: applying your discount code. On the booking page, you'll notice a section labeled Use a Coupon, Credit, or Promotion Code. Click on this option to reveal a field where you can enter your discount code. Carefully type in the code you have and be sure that it's entered correctly, as any typographical errors may prevent the discount from being applied. After entering the code, you should see a confirmation that your discount has been applied to the total cost of your booking. This reduction can significantly enhance your savings, making your upcoming travel plans a little lighter on your wallet. Finally, proceed to complete your booking by reviewing all the details one last time and providing your payment information. Click through to confirm your purchase, and you're all set. You've successfully used an Expedia discount code, making the most out of your booking. We hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your booking experience on Expedia smoother and more cost-effective. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your travels.